I have something different to review for you today. I placed an order with ARRO Athletics. They are on, I believe it's Campbell River, BC, so Vancouver Island. I'm originally from Vancouver Island. I'm from Nanaimo, so just kind of up the road from them. But they are a Canadian-made company, and I couldn't be more excited to have purchased from her and to give her a shout out. She seems like an amazing, amazing lady. So please go check out ARRO Athletics and check out the deals, check out the quality. Like, wow. This one here is called the Weekender. What's it called? Weekender sweatshirt. Okay. Nice, thick, heavy duty, long sleeves, off the shoulder look. I ordered mine, I think, either 1 or 2 sizes too big, but you know what? It's so comfy, so cozy. It's meant to be off shoulder, or you can have it both shoulders. It has no finished cuff, okay, and no finished cuff on the bottom. But you guys, it's so comfy. Look at all, like, I got way too much room in here, but I love it. I'm still getting used to my body. It's shrinking a little bit. And then the other thing I ordered was their Onset leggings. Now, if you go check out her leggings, you're going to be so surprised. They have some amazing quality. I have the Onset leggings. So these are like true leggings, tight all the way down to the bottom. They are for a 27-inch seam. I'm 5'8". I have perfect length for me and couldn't be more happy. Let me just give you a little bit of information on the Onset leggings. They're a medium hold, okay, so you have just enough support but still be comfy. There's a Leopard-print silicone at the waistband, so just take a look at that. You've got all on this 4-inch band, you've got all that silicone. These are not going to fall down, okay, not going to fall down at all. And like I said, there's that 27-inch seam. There is no front seam, so you don't get the camel toe. You have that beautiful back, okay? And now the material on the Onset leggings is 77% polyester, 23% spandex. So it's stretchy, sculpting, and squat proof. So when you bend over, you're not going to be like having that underwear crease or whatever, you know, show through. There's no pockets, but you guys, they're so comfy, so comfy, and this whole outfit is comfortable. So please go check out ARRO Athletics. Watch for any lives that she may be doing. I was able to get 20% off my first order simply because she was live, and so watch for those and go check out. She's got tops, she's got sports bras, she's got different leggings like with a wider leg on them and everything, and these come in lots of colors. Go give her a check out. And again, I am so honored to be able to give her a shout out, a Canadian gal, a Vancouver Island Canadian gal at that. Oh, this is something else I bought too, was a Christmas scrunchie. Such a beautiful color. Anyways, all right, love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.